So you could have 4 or 5 of these and probably be fine. All right, guys, you might have heard of the Painkiller, but today we're going to make the Mata Pena, a painkiller with tequila. Let's go. All right, everyone, the first step to making a Mata Pena is 6 ounces of freshly squeezed from the jar pineapple juice. The perfect pour. Next, we're going to use 1.5 ounces of orange juice, freshly squeezed if you got it, in the bottle if you don't. And one of my favorite ingredients, cream of coconut, 1.5 ounces. This stuff is so good, you want to go after it with a spatula for sure. And now for the main ingredient, we're going to use tequila. We're going to use Don Ramon tequila. This stuff is fantastic. Pick it up at cwspirits.com, promo code Cafe Amora. Save yourself some money. Bottles delivered right to your door. Even some hard to find bottles are available at CW Spirits, guys, so go check them out. Save 5%. And you know what? You help out the channel a little bit. We really do appreciate that. And I have to tell you, Mrs. Amora ain't cheap. For those of you who are married, you all know these women ain't cheap. Steaks every night. Caviar, luxury trips, 2 ounces. Now add some ice to your shaker. Don't be afraid to add a lot of ice. Get out your favorite cocktail glasses, because this makes enough for 2. You can never make 1 Mata Pena, you have to make 2, because your wife's totally going to steal yours. Look at that color, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, it even smells good from over here. Next, save a little bit of fresh nutmeg on top of these bad boys. The Mata Pena depends on it. All right, guys, so let's make the Mata Pena. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Well, here I have 2, 1 for me and 1 for Mrs. Amora.
Yay!
You always got to make 1 for your wife because she's going to take yours anyway. Let's give it the old try. Oh, shit, that's good.
Wow.
Oh, shit, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Oh, this is really good.
That's really good. That's like...
And it smells delicious.
I know, it smells freaking awesome. It's better than the Painkiller.